Good morning! It's Tuesday, the next day in the week. So after yesterday's singing, I figured I wouldn't sing, but I tried to be exciting. I said yesterday that I hadn't noticed anything, and clearly I'm blind. So today is Terrible Tuesday. It's PDC. There is a PDC session waiting for you on the notice board. It was there on Monday morning. Do have a look at that. It's useful and helpful. There's also an assembly waiting for you on the Sunday, the 21st of February. So if you look back, you'll find that there. That's from Miss Arabi. So there's plenty to be getting on with. If you want to discuss anything that turns up as a result of either the assembly or the PDC session, please feel free. Several of you have done this in the past. It works really well. I quite enjoy it. And yeah, I'll be in touch. I'll try and keep this video short. There's no real need to go into too much depth. And yeah, that's it for Tuesday morning. I will see you tomorrow for the quiz, and I will see you on Thursday for a live AM Reg. If you want any more of those, do let me know in the comments. And yeah, that's it really. Have a lovely day, Year 11. Hopefully you had a good first day back yesterday, and I shall see you tomorrow and later in the week. Bye-bye.